Okay. Good morning, everybody. Anyone paying attention to CMO's reverse split saga? Yeah, I'm seeing it right now. J Hart, good morning. Monk's Premium, best stock for today. So far, COMS, but I don't know that that's going to be a good long play reverse split, so we'll keep an eye on it. I don't really see that much volume on the penny stocks besides that one, but we'll go over some plays. Dylan, so what up, Juan? Check out COMS reverse split. Went from 23 cents to $4. Yeah, $6 now. What website do you use, Dylan? Good morning, Corey. Good morning, Noe over on Tradecaster. Morning, Amy Young. Everybody on TikTok. Good morning. Good morning, Fouds B2. User, what's up, guys? So I got a couple of plays on the large caps that I'm gonna be looking for. Good morning to Mimi. I got a couple of plays I'm gonna be keeping an eye on. As far as penny stocks, COSM is the only gapper that I'm seeing. Look at MAXR bought out. So now I'm getting hot. Morning Blair, morning Elvinar. No, nothing. Mega was saying that anyone who woke up and sold thinking they had mad money in their account will be short at the stock once the brokers adjust the pricing for the reverse split. Yeah, they're thinking they're selling for a $6 profit. What it's just the amount of shares they have is different, so they're literally going to be selling at the same price. It's a reverse split. So as far as gappers on my end, I only see COSM with decent volume. So if you guys see anything else, you guys can let me know. But COSM is really the only thing I'm seeing. Um, let's see, AUVI only penny on your scanner. Elvinar mentioning AUVI. I think I'm. Let me see. AUVI, okay, not bad. 130. 134 high. 200 moving average is up here at 150. Maybe we get a run on this. Ooh, sorry. What the heck? Maybe we get a run up to 150 on this stock. 200 moving average there, but I think this one tried. Looks like it might have tried running. No, it didn't. Volume is a little iffy on it, but maybe this thing pops up a little bit. It might gain some volume since there's nothing else to watch, but if it doesn't, then I don't know that this one's going to end up moving. So, let me go over some large cap plays that I got. Easy Money, good morning. Good morning, Juan and Traders Rome C. What's up? What's up? Morning, James. Look at somebody did say MAXR on TikTok. MAXR. $22 to $51. Jesus. Dragon Trader has no chance. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so large caps. Amazon. You know, guys, I mentioned Amazon yesterday could sell off, ended up selling off, continue this sell off. It's got a, if you look at the daily on Amazon, you look at the 1 hour, you look at the 4 hour, you see an obvious flat bottom at, you know, $87 and a half to 87 and a half to 88, 87.80. So right here, if I zoom out for you guys so you guys can see it, you guys see this flat bottom on Amazon. This is our lifeline right here on Amazon. Look at this, 87.50. Let me just get rid of this. So bottomed yesterday, bottomed today, bottomed like a couple days ago, even a couple wicks up here at 87.90. So triple top there. If Amazon does not hold this level today, 87.50, maybe the lows of pre-market. If we end up cracking under pre-market, I mean, there's no stopping Amazon here. I mean, I said it yesterday, could sell off today again. If it does not hold at 87.50, I'm looking short for a new 52-week low, which would be this 85.87, so about $2 range. Now, if Amazon keeps holding this, maybe pops down, holds pre-market low. So let's go look at the time frame this morning. So if it keeps holding this low, it's like 87.47 right there, which is yesterday's low, and then this 87.15. If it keeps holding this level here, I might be scaling it to some, like maybe it drops down, pops right back up, starts holding it. I might scale into some longs here and see if I can get a little bit of a pop on Amazon and see if this 87.50 wants to be support, and then maybe pop up 88, 88.50, take out pre-market high, new high day, all of that shenanigans. Tesla. Tesla pretty range strapped yesterday. It had 2 or 3 big sell-off days. And then now yesterday and kind of the day before, I mean it gapped down the day. Oh no, it didn't gap down. Kind of went sideways. Kind of went sideways again today. Pretty important level here is 155.67. So kind of lows of that first day, kind of lows of yesterday. Today kind of bounced their pre-market. I am swinging, not swinging. I am feeling a little more bullish on Tesla. You know, we sold off pretty aggressively, held those lows yesterday. As long as 155.67 keeps holding. If 155.67 drops on Tesla, I will be looking for that flag again, 155, back down to 153, 151, and then new low. But I have to hold that 155. But I think Tesla could get a little bit of a pop, hopefully. If it doesn't pop at all, then it's just gonna end up dropping. Now there is a pretty obvious trend lines on Tesla. So look at the bigger time frame. It's making a ginormous downtrend falling wedge. So downtrend downtrend resistance right here, and the biggest one is down here. So ultimately, if this pops up a little bit, that's where it got rejected there 3 days ago. It could get rejected up here again, 165-ish. And if we stay into this falling wedge pattern that I got drawn here, I could see Tesla down to 140s eventually. So I could see Tesla down to 140s. Following that trend line, following this trend line support here, maybe bounce, pop up a little bit today, and then again ultimately get slammed. SPY, the good old, whoa, the good old SPY. 390 level from yesterday was pretty important, and it's one that I kept saying a lot. So 390, 390 here. 390 yesterday, kind of held once, twice, 3 times, ended up falling under 390, and then at that point could not get over 390 all day. Tried it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times there, and then came back after hours, came back again over 390 once, twice, could not hold it, dropped out of 390 because we didn't hold 390 at all, and almost the whole day yesterday. We ended up gapping down even more. Now this one is going to have a gap now. It's going to open down here 383, and gap fill is not until 387. So all of this is going to be a gap fill on the daily. And we already left a gap fill up here already. So we left a gap fill up here. So we're dropping pretty fast on SPY. So there's that gap fill, and then there's that gap fill up here. There's 2. But SPY, the next level I had here, shoot, I don't know. This thing can drop even more than I thought. It's already going to spawn down here. I don't know. I don't know what to do with SPY. It's pretty beaten down, but this thing can keep dropping lower. How much time do we have to market open? 6 minutes. Whoa. What's going on, chat? What's going on? Dragon Trader, Too Stable, good morning. Rome C, Chicago Trader, good morning. But it ain't gonna do any higher. Chicago COMS, crazy price action. Reverse split. Canary Wharf Money, hedge fund. How are you finding Guardian trading? Pretty good, man. Pretty good. I'm liking it so far. Tech and Money, what's up, man? Dragon Trader, Elon sells Teslas every day. Damn, yeah. Blair, here's my buy zone area on COMS for a bounce. COMS reverse splits. That I'm pretty sure that company everybody says as trash. I don't expect COMS to make a run for it. maybe people are dumb and think that this is a momentum stock, and they go, "Oh my gosh, it went from a dollar to $4. Just get it back up to new high day." Maybe they get a bunch of buyers like that, but COMS, I don't think that stock is gonna run. Anyways, SPY, we're gonna have another gap fill on SPY. I guess SPY, my levels right now is 385.64, which is a daily level there. We tucked underneath it. If we reject that, I'm looking short for another possible trade down here. If we squeeze out of this 385.64, I could see the pop back up to 387 to fill the gap right away. So if we pop over 385.60, yeah, I like that. I like that. Okay, so 385.64 is a little pivot on the daily from like a month and a half back. So if we pop over that, I could see this thing moving and closing that gap. 4 minutes till market opens. You guys can see SPY was in a nice uptrend. We broke that uptrend, so maybe we do get a little bit of a bounce relief on SPY. We could get a bounce up to 390 again, retest it from the bottom side, and then see if this thing wants to keep on going lower, or if it's just going to completely sell off. Alright guys, we got 3 minutes. COMS, not COSM. Oh no. Here we go again with this. COSM. What was that? COMS. COSM. 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 Comes? COSM. I don't know how to say it. Morning everybody on TikTok, bro. What to buy? I don't know. We're gonna figure out. We're gonna figure out. Khalid, dear Andreas, good morning. Stocks Wizard. What's up, man? I'm still saying see ya. Alright. So we got about 2 minutes and a half till market opens. Amazon, if we lose that 87.50, free fall to 87, new low, maybe 85. Like there's absolutely nothing holding the stock in between those two levels. From pre-market low straight down to 85. But we'll see, we'll see. Wow, SPY, what the heck? SPY, Tesla, and Amazon just ripped. Tesla, my level is at 160.19. Get over that, I could go long. SPY over, what was it? 385, could go long, close the gap right away. Legend for these lives. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Thank you for hopping in here. Meta might be an outperformer today. Got a price target increase from JP Morgan. Meta. Let me see. I said Megan. Meta. Let me see. It's gonna open up here. If it does, hold on. I gotta clear this. Got a minute. I can take a look at this stock real quick. So it's got a gap that's about to close. Unfortunate. If we do want to keep moving higher on Meta, over 119.40 where it's actually spiking right now, over 119.40 here, and I could see that long working. If we keep holding this 119.40, I could see a long working. Alright, market is going to open here now in 30 seconds for my last trading day live streaming of the year. If you guys didn't know, I'm going to be taking a 2-week break from trading, from streaming. Next week I'm not trading at all. I'm on vacation, and the last week of the year I'm gonna trade by myself. But we start up next year right away. 13 seconds till market opens. Here we go. Make sure everything is checked in. Share size appropriate. 10 seconds. Wow. COSM is 6 pennies per share to locate. Alright, so what are we doing? What are we doing? Amazon popping, SPY popping, Tesla popping, we're all popping. Right up to my line so far, rejecting it there. COSM, you know, might try to pop a little bit, but oh, it halted? I was like, oh, it tried to pop up a little bit, but I didn't realize it halted. Wow, COSM halted. Shoot, I don't know if I really want to chase this one at all. You hopped into that halt small size, good job. So Tesla already rejecting that first level up there I had. SPY popping up out of 385.64. 385.64. If we hold that level on SPY, I could see this thing going up right up to closing the gap. Amazon popping up as well. Amazon, that low of 87, 87.50 is down there. So if we're gonna hold support, I could see this going long. I could even see it going long right here, 88.50 almost. Well, what's up with my volume? Wait, that can't be right. That can't be right. Is everybody's volume look like this on Thinkorswim? Did somebody place a ginormous order? That's 7 million shares. Well, I would like this pullback here on Amazon at 88.55, kind of holding pre-market highs, kind of holding yesterday's levels, but I cannot see the volume. Like, the volume is straight up messing with me right here. Like, I could see this working if this is pulling back low volume here. But I cannot see it at all. Same on my side. Just got here a little late. Anything good stock that you're trading now? No, COSM is the only one that right now it's halted up, but I'm not really watching that stock right now. I'm watching Amazon. I'm looking to see if I can get a nice long out of here if we hold this 88.45, but if we don't, I'm gonna flip short and push this back down to 87.50. But my volume is so messed up, but I think it's messed up on all of them. So SPY is kind of tucking itself back down. So did Tesla, sell off completely, rejected that 160 level. So maybe Amazon does end up pulling back as well. Maybe actually. They all just perked up again. No Inox volume looks same on Weeble charts. It's weird. Somebody actually must have placed a nice order or something because everybody's volume is jacked up here up to 7.8 million shares. But that's weird that either it messed up on everybody's charts or somebody actually placed that many orders on every single one of these stocks here. So I actually am going to be looking, if we break down out of this 88.45 here on Amazon, I'm going to be looking short on this one. I'm on popping. As COSM is unhalted. Didn't even break that previous pivot. Man, this is going to be annoying. This volume is going to be annoying. Unless I do this. So now volume is down on Amazon, so I could see this flag working here. Now I can see the volume, see how it's decreasing. Morning Fat GQ, what's up, man? COMS out of that halt, pushing on down. AUVI kind of popping up a little bit. RNA still popping too. Yeah, RNA is one that I shorted yesterday and ended up taking a loss on my Guardian account. Wow, AUVI, nice pop. Let me look at AUVI. AUVI, we got room on this one up to that 200 moving average. So if we get a nice push here at the high of day, I might be looking at it. So SPY rejecting that 385 level I had. No trades for me yet. No trades for me. Yeah, my freaking volume is all kinds of messed up. You guys are calling out some alerts for you guys, so appreciate all you guys doing that. AUVI finally a little bit of pop there. Maybe 134 holds. 134 holds AUVI. You could see that move up to 150 on AUVI, so I'm actually going to look at it. Not if it sells off like that. SPY level that I had was 385, rejecting that level up here. You do have, you know, kind of like small caps. You have a pivot there at 385. See if 385 keeps holding. Okay, Amazon, a little bit of a crack here. Let's see if we close slow and can chase this down. Morning Oso Polar. Tesla selling off again, man. I hate feeling like this, you know? I know my level is 8845 right here on Amazon. I know this is a key level here. Now, it's, am I going to break out of it, or am I going to end up rejecting it and push down? So far, you know, that pop down got eaten up, but I think I can get a nice move here either direction. I just want to make sure I'm on the right side of it. I feel like right now, volume increased on these short candles, so oh, Blair, you aren't lagging. What is up with that lag? I couldn't get filled. I can't get filled. Well, it filled me there. That was so weird. Now I was just testing it though. It wasn't really. I tried filling it like 5 times and it wouldn't. 3 or 4 times and it wouldn't fill me. That was weird. It's been like 10 minutes though, so that's weird. I have a tiny short here started on Amazon, but if this thing wants to break out at all, I'm gonna flip bias and quickly go long. This looks like a nice flag to me, but okay, Amazon trying to break out here maybe. This candle has a lot of time to close, but if it starts opening up, I'm going to cancel out of this and then play it a little more aggressive to break out of this flag. So, whoa, okay. So I'm out. I want to go long now. If we close this high nice here, let's see if we can break out to high day. I keep forgetting Amazon is so cheap, man. I keep forgetting Amazon is so cheap. Target on Amazon, 89, $90. So I'm gonna try to hold this and see if I can continue this push here on Amazon. Very nice squeeze, so I was able to get most of that. Haven't sold anything at all. I want to see if I get a pullback to that 88. Maybe I can add big again, maybe a little bigger, and see if I can continue this move back up. Up 50 bucks. It's not a lot, but I want to keep putting the pressure here on this Amazon play. See if I can get this thing to break out. I'm gonna add on these pullbacks here. If it gets a bigger pullback, I'll add more. I want to see this one squeeze, potentially go up to $90. If I get the pullback right back down to that previous high day, that's where I'm really going to add. What? So pretty top heavy right away already there. That got really heavy. I went from green to red. I'd never seen Amazon behave like that. And watch, this thing is still gonna rip up. So AUVI couldn't do anything. COSM halting down. Let's see how you guys are. Hold on, lots of people can't see on Thinkorswim. Use caution. RT and farmers stuck and can't sell. Having major issues with the platform. Oh. Also, I thought about shorting that one, but I don't know. I knew it wasn't gonna run this morning, but I didn't know where to take the short in on that one. Amazon kind of psyched me up. I had a trade from here, followed it up, added back in, ended up going red on it, but I sold like bottom of this candle here, so I got psyched out of it. Something about the volume and I guess Thinkorswim issues. It's being kind of weird. I read the move in the right direction there, and then when I added, I started seeing pretty, like, as soon as this thing popped up, it acted like a penny stock, and it just went, it like sold really aggressively. So now, you know, I have to be careful because I have a 7 million share sold position here, up here, at the beginning of market open, and then this thing spiked up and instantly rejected so hard. I had not seen Amazon do that. ALLR. ALLR halted. Okay, I'm gonna put this. ALLR, first thing I'm noticing, room to 200 moving average and also a dollar. You know, a dollar is right there. Halted at 47.13, so just halted. So let me go ahead and do this. That way I'll be ready when it's live. Yep, covering the low twos. Okay, Oso Polar, good job, man. Should have told me. Should have told gold for this one. Fat G looks like traded RNA. All right, all right. I was in small size though. Made 210. Nice start though, Fat G. On the phone with TD, dude. I'm not touching my platform. Blair, you're also having issues. Anybody here on TD having issues with Thinkorswim? Dekamar trades alerting ALLR as well. Man, he's so fast for them. Nicely done. No trades for me on Thinkorswim. Major issues on Thinkorswim. You guys are scaring me now. Like, should I just not trade? Also, I shorted ICVX yesterday, also Polar. MA poppin'. I shorted ICVX yesterday also. The only thing is I shorted it. I think that's the one that had two moves, right? Shorted the front end, got it pretty nice, was following it down, couldn't get the fade, popped up again, and then that's the one that I didn't get. Yeah, so I shorted it here, covered like some there, some there, some there, and then stopped out here. And then I had to walk away, and I probably would have shorted this one. Probably left that one alone, but I probably would have shorted that one. And then look at this, just absolutely fade. COMS, do you think this one's gonna sell off the rest of the day as well, or at least low twos? This one halted at 46.22, so in about a minute it's gonna be shorting requires patience. No, I understand that, and I tried following it as much as I could. Like I had this order here, I had half of it running. So these three I sold here, there, and there. These were all small sales. I still had 50% of my share size, and I got stopped at right there. I wanted this like here, and it ended up squeezing me out. So I understand, and I'm working on it, and I'm pretty proud about that. So Amazon ended up ripping, but I mean I had no orders executing it. I had no orders on my end. I had no problems executing my trade after I started getting filled, but this Tesla move up here to VWAP looks a little exhausted. But both SPY and Amazon ended up ripping up. I was long and I wanted to add that 88.80 level. COMS lost a little behind the curtain trades right now. Oh, it's frozen. Yeah, that sucks. This thing is gonna go right back down to $2 at open. What's up, Namita D? What's up, everybody? Anyone know how to reset Thinkorswim? That sucks. I hadn't really seen an issue like this in a long time. Is it just Thinkorswim? Or is it just the actual volume that came into all of these orders, all of these stocks in the morning that ended up, here goes ALLR. ALLR going into another halt. Wow, ALLR has a flat bottom so hard on the daily at like between $1 and $1.10. Like it just never broke under those levels. My mom's still trying. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I should push anything right now or not. I wonder if it's like. I really wonder if it's the volume that came into the markets today without or maybe this is a glitch on their end too, and that's why it's messing up. But 7.8 million shares in the first minute of Amazon, 12 million shares of Apple, 3.4 million shares of Tesla. Bro, somebody with deep pockets is selling everything. Somebody maybe do a 5-share test before big size. Hey, what's up, Sensor Chef? What are you doing in here, bro? Yeah, not worth the risk to take a trade. Well, I wanted to see if COMS popped up a little bit back up to that 450 or something, see if I can click the short sell button. Now I guess I'm kind of looking at ALLR short, see if I take a trade on this one. This already halted once, halted twice, so I might be looking short on ALLR. I'm going to wait for ALLR to resume, and I'm going to let this one do its thing, but I might eventually end up shorting this one. Looks like on hold with them. I can't get locates on ALLR at Cobra. Oh, I located just some now. Man. Guardian, I don't know how Guardian actually has pretty good locates, I guess. Censorship, making sure you all don't get smoked with Thinkorswim issues. I'm working on saving 25k and let the market mess blow by. Hey, that's not a bad idea. Risky play, but long on SATX 922. Right now, the only thing I'm looking for is this resumption on ALLR, halted at almost 53, so almost 58, so 2 minutes there. Amazon looking a little exhausted to the top side here. Kind of like I said, Tesla was looking a little exhausted here at VWAP. Maybe could have taken some shorts there and played this down. Amazon have a pretty nice uptrend on the day. If you break this uptrend, try to go for another spike and don't hit a higher double top. That might be the place to take a short back down. I was up like 50, 60 bucks on this thing. Oh, COMS is live. What up, Juan? Saw this insane spiker, so hopped over to your stream to see if you spoke about it. Oh, what the frick? It filled me in on Amazon? How am I in on Amazon? 88.46. The orders that I canceled on Amazon just got filled. That is crazy. That is crazy. Dude, I should like take a 5k loss and like go back to Thinkorswim and be like, yeah, you guys got to refund everybody their money today, and just give me back 5k. Man, it filled me the orders that I shorted this morning. Unfortunately, I have to close that, but ALLR is the one that I really want to look here. That 1-1 level here on the daily. Look at this thing. Halted again. ALLR halted again. That's fine with me. Let this thing push up. That is crazy. It filled me in. Well, you guys were right. I was like, I executed a pretty good amount of orders here without a problem. I'm fine. I'm fine. And boom, fills me in like 5 minutes later. Well, COSM is nuts. Did it halt back up? So, I hope you didn't forget about me. No, I remember you. You gotta tell me where the hot levels are at, Joe Young. Tell me where the hot levels resume at. Yeah, it would have been a surprise gift if it gave me if I had filled in long, I guess. No, everybody's having issues, and so I just got filled in on this play that I had canceled the order. You know, it didn't film it, canceled it, tried again, didn't film it, canceled it, and then ended up filling me afterwards. Tesla, I just mentioned it looking exhausted at VWAP. There's that move back down. Whole season, yeah, yeah. A mom ripping. Unfortunately, guys, I don't think I'm gonna trade anything. Sucks for it to be like this on the last day of me trading, but you know it is what it is. By the way, if anybody's new to my stream, or those of you guys like Yofi Young who kept up with me for a while, and then obviously you're watching other streamers, no hate, no problems with me at all. I just wanted to point out that I'm not streaming at all next week. I am on vacation, and then the week after that, I'm gonna be taking it by myself. No streaming as well either. Um, oh, and the thing is, I knew Amazon was a short, bro. The thing is, I knew Amazon was a short. I just mentioned it. From 89.20s down to 88.50, 60, 70 cents a share there. That sucks. So ALLR is the only one I'm looking at now. I have located shorts, some share shorts on this one. Also, Polat, if you're shorting ALLR, what is your starter price? Anyway, so next week not streaming at all, and then the week after that I'll be trading, but I will not be streaming. So I will see you guys for beginning of BYSI. I will see you guys beginning of. Oh my goodness! Also, Walker, another donation. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. Bro, I should be donating it to you. I'm asking you the questions. You're the one helping me out now. You're helping me out with the shorts. Wait, who said they had no shorts on Cobra? On OTM, no shorts on ALLR at Cobra. So yeah, I'll be back here in 2 weeks. Oso Polar, Merry Christmas. Thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate it, Oso Polar. You're awesome, man. Merry Christmas to you too, and Happy New Year to all of you guys. All of you guys. I hope you guys have a good holiday season. I'm not heading out yet. It sounds like I'm heading out, right? But just wanted to say that to Oso Polar. He just donated again, so I really appreciate it, man. I'm finally in the short game. Also, I'm finally in the short game, so I'm learning this. I'm learning off of you. Short BYSI. BYSI. Hard to borrow. Yeah, good. Thank you, Jeff Young. Thank you, appreciate it. COMS is live. November was rough. November was the toughest month for me all year long. I finished green, but still. And Tekken money as well now. What is this? My Christmas gifts? Is this my Christmas presents or what, guys? Love your stream, man. Thank you for putting in so much time into this. Learning a lot. Thank you. Oh, Tekken money, man. Awesome, man. Appreciate it, man. You gotta get your rank in Rocket League up though, bro. Diamond 1. You gotta get your rank up. No. Thank you to Tekken Money and Walker. So if you guys are watching on TikTok, Tradecaster, or YouTube, you guys go ahead and tell them thank you for me. Appreciate it. Both of them have just donated to me on the stream, and so I really appreciate it. You sound like you are taking a Christmas break. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I'm gonna take a next week. I'm going snowboarding. Oh, ALR is live. I want to short this thing. Did I miss my entry? It's not halted yet. It literally hit my line. Dang, I got distracted. It literally hit my line. Holy crap. Hopefully this doesn't turn into another black swan though. I know, Tekken Money. It literally hit the 200 moving average. No, Octavia was a nice short on that pop. Yeah, I saw that, but this is one, as far as gappers, it was this one or COMS, and COMS was, I really didn't think it was going to do much. And so I thought maybe volume was going to pour into this one for just day trader scalpers to come in here and find a long. And I thought 134 could hold and then move up to 150, but it just didn't even get a chance to. ALLR, man, I'm gonna keep an eye on ALLR. If this thing was to maybe pop up again and just not break highs or feel heavy again, I might end up shorting and pop. See if this thing was to put down. BYSI, somebody mentioned a short. I could see this one. This thing has had like what 6 green days in a row? 7 green days in a row on the daily. No shorts on TradeZero for ALLR. Tal had a nice move yesterday. Juan, you don't view those long upper shadows near high day as a good chance to short with cover a little above that? On which one? AUVI? Yeah, but I wouldn't. I'm not gonna short it here. I could get away with shorting it here. Maybe this would have been okay, like this one here. After seeing that upper shadow or upper wicks, and then you kind of lose this level here, and now you're coming back up, retesting that. Yes, but down here I wouldn't chase it. And the only reason I'm saying that is, yeah, if I'm trading small, it's okay. Okay, I'll lose, $50, $100. But when I want to start scaling up and I'm taking, 10,000 shares short or something like that, I don't want to play it super risky and take it up here because then, 10,000 shares from here to there, that's 20 cents. That's 2 grand up here, and I barely have 2 grand of room down there. So I'd have to take a trade up here. Um, I could have, at this point seen this one tucked back under 134. That's my level there. Maybe tries it again, stuff it right there. Try to stuff it with them. That's what they did. And then maybe had my stop here. Instead of 20 cents from here to there, maybe had it from 140 to 155, above the half dollar. Risk those 10 cents there. And look for a possible fade from 140 down to 120. Already up 20 cents, already up 2R there. Maybe 1 3R, and then $1 whole dollar down here, 4R for risking these 10 cents up here. So yeah, I could see that. Oh yeah, yeah, right here, yeah. But now the thing is, if you're gonna do that, man, honestly I could have kept holding that Amazon short. Huh, I'd be back in profit. Oh, look at this, clean entry there. Oh my god. Um, but I think when you have to do that, you have to either pick long or short on the day because I need to look at ALLR. I think this one should be live. Halted at 0410, so 0910. So in a minute. I think you literally have to be either a short bias or a long bias trader because at UVI, I was looking at that thing long. And I can't go long and then flip short on both accounts. I think if you're going to go short, you have to try almost every pop like that and then have your stop near high days and wait for the fades. Or if you're going to go long, you have to find the dips on all of these and take the long dips on all of them. You know what I mean? Like COMS at this point, I'm long if it held 456, but if I was short, I'd be shorting at 456 previous pivot, shorting there, right? Same thing with AUVI. If I'm long, I would wait for this thing to pop over 134. But if I'm short, I'm shorting this 134. Kind of hard to do both. So I think you'd really have to be deciding if you are going to be bias or short bias, long bias on that day, and then just play them all like that. You're going to get stopped out and you're going to have losing trades. But it's the winning trades, the runners that you take either on the long side or top side that are going to ALLR. I never hit the short button. I would have wanted to short this thing up at that 135. So hopefully this one pops here, holds these levels here, and gets another pop. Otherwise, I'm going to locate shares for no reason on this one, and they were actually a lot more pricey. That is one thing that sucks about shorting. If you locate shares and don't use them, also, did you? Oh wait, no. No, no, you have trade zero. DM, DM or DR? DRMA filling a gap. ALLR. I'd like this thing to try to pop up again. I'm on back to life. Rome C has been calling that one all day. AUVI, there's your nasty just fade, dude. From 140s, 130s already down to 110. Is there a good spot to enter Tesla with small share size to swing, like to hold long time, or like to find a trade, or? I'm honestly hoping ALLR kind of finds a bottom here, maybe tries to pop back up and fails. Like long term, it's not bad to if you want to start scaling in some longs on Tesla. You know, it's been selling off pretty bad. Even the highs of Tesla's 400, right? So even if you were like, oh, if I hold it back up to high days, you know, high all-time high, that's 100% return. But you know, you might have to wait it for a while. But I mean, it's Tesla, so I think at some point, you know, this thing is gonna turn back around and keep growing and doing better and stuff. So BV testing its highs from a few days ago might be a good short. BV's the one that we kept thinking short and it just kept squeezing. Yeah, this thing is back up to dailies. But it's made a move from 4 to 14. ALLR is the one I'm watching for. Oh, your zone, it's where it's bouncing. I see it. I'm gonna be a little salty about this ALLR that I didn't take it. COMS watch for the rug pull. You know what I'm thinking? You'd be a bull flag at 940. Oh, you're asking 840. Yeah, always keep in mind, you know, it's easier if your resistance is here. I want that bull flag here, right? I want it to flag above it. You know, that's my first uh question concern, you know. So, if that level right there is 134, we are actually flagging under 134, and technically we broke it because that's what these spikes are. So we're breaking out of that 134 and coming back under 134 and flagging under 134. That is a difference between this. And I know you're gonna be like, oh, you're drawing the line right there. I didn't. I drew this line way before in Amazon, before market open. I had this line right there. This is a bull flag as well. There's your pull and there's your flag, right? That is flagging over that line. This is telling me that buyers are holding that level as opposed to AUVI, where shorts are holding that level. Shorts are holding that level. So, yes, it's a bull flag. Is it in the right spot? Probably not. Wouldn't have taken it. TD just posted about the late fills. Where'd they post it at? How long did it take you for you to be comfortable in the market? Honestly, when I first started, I went really small, but I kind of really tried disassociating trading with the money at first and just treating it like a game. And actually, I don't think I've ever said that before. You know, I was making 5, 10 bucks, but I had to get comfortable doing what I was doing, and so I tried not thinking about the money wise and then just trading and being consistent and stuff. And so I think that helped. And so, I mean, I was pretty comfortable. TD just showed a pop up for order fill issues. I have a feeling they're gonna go back, and I'm not even gonna call them now. They're gonna take forever. I bet everybody's calling, but I'll do a message or something here in a second. As far as that, guys, I got to drive today, so obviously think of some issues. Probably not gonna trade. Yeah, I'm asking where did TD post it? COSM Oso Polar, you are killing it, man. This thing is about to drop. I want to get to your level also with Shorty. I want to get to your level, bro. Yeah, I have a feeling if we all call everybody's calling. So, ALLR, unfortunately, could not get the short in here. I mean, I could scale in tiny, tiny size here just to see if this thing wants to keep cracking down, but I don't know. Boy, I'm so confused. I actually tried filling in right there, and it told me I couldn't fill. What? Oh, actually, I got rejected? Hold on, this is actually kind of interesting. I hadn't had this happen, which I'm gonna be happy if it did reject it because then that means I didn't. Ah, frick, man. I guess my first order rejected, and so I ended up trying it again. And luckily just now I located 100 shares only, but I guess that first one that I tried locating, it actually it actually uh, it actually rejected it. So I never actually had the shares. I didn't realize that it had said rejected, so. Hold on, I hear y'all's thing going on. Give me a second. I actually ended up now shorting this thing with 100 shares, which is tiny, but it was kind of annoying. Well, I'm filled in 100 shares short, so a tiny size over there, but whatever. I didn't realize that when I first located the first shares, and I had located a lot more on ALLR, it actually had said rejected, and I didn't know that. It was like, are you sure you want to locate? You want to pay this? I clicked OK, and so I didn't know that even after I do that, it could still say, nope, you just kidding, you can't locate them. And so I ended up not locating them, and I tried clicking just the sell button, I think somewhere around here, to catch this dump there, and it said rejected. So then I had to go back and was like, oh, I thought I located them. So then I tried locating them again. Turns out they're more expensive. Located 100, so I ended up just now shorting 100 shares, like right here, which is probably pretty dumb and a terrible entry. But stop is tight. I'm gonna lose 5-10 bucks, or if this drops, which is nothing. But oh well. Let me see. Let me see. What did I miss from you guys? Sorry about that. How many shares spawned? Guardian shows SSR on level 2. Yeah, so I can't short it unless it's an uptick. I only shorted 100, but that's because the first order got canceled, and then I had to try it again. Hell of a Santa rally for bears this year, for real. Is it on the message on? It is on the message on the top right. Some clients may be experiencing delays in receiving failed notifications on certain orders. If you're impacted, please avoid placing duplicate orders. We are working to resolve this issue. Yeah, fix the issue, Thinkorswim. Fix the issue. Fix. I have to pack so much stuff, guys. I have to pack for my brother's wedding, which is this weekend, and then I have to pack for a week in Colorado for snow trips, skis, snow bands, all that stuff, and then I have to pack for a week afterwards of clothes that I'm not gonna be home. Not to mention the zoo that I have in my house that I also have to pick up with and take with me. Not to mention the zoo that I got in my house. Correct me if I'm wrong. The SSR says you can only short SSR. No, SSR means you can only short on an uptick. So on a green candle, basically. Where am I from? Texas. How many pets do I have? Oh my. You have stuff trouble finding stocks and learning stuff from the Fed. Um, in spirituality on TikTok, I don't. I mean, obviously I follow them. I know when those announcements are, but you don't need to have all that information to trade stocks. I barely look at news. I barely trade news. I just trade stock prices and all of that. And look at me, I'm profitable. So you don't really need to understand news and all of that stuff to trade stocks. Obviously, it's gonna help, and obviously sometimes it will help you. You're in Victoria, Texas. OTM. How far is that from here? You, my man, are 3 hours away from me. OTM. How many pets do I have? I have 2 dogs, 2 cats. Juan, feliz Navidad desde España. Que lo pases muy bien estas fiestas. See you next year. I love your stream. Desde España, hostia, tío. Tony. Gracias, bro. Gracias. If you need any questions, Tony, like everybody else, let me know. Let me know. COSM just sitting in the buy zone. Blair. I'm from G, the same 38 Fahrenheit temperature. I got stuck on this stupid trade now. I had not issues with Guardian, but issues with Thinkorswim, and now there's Guardian stuff that I had no idea didn't locate, so it made me take that dumb trade. But good thing it's tiny. COSM, also Polar, I'm still kind of looking at it, you know? If this thing was to try to pop up a tiny bit, doesn't look bad, doesn't look bad, you know? Back up to 4, maybe another short. But, okay, yeah. And then spirituality, I'm gonna just mention it, and everybody else is watching on TikTok or any other platform that are new to trading. I do offer a course for you guys. Obviously, I stream completely free, so you guys can see me every single day. Know that I do this. Know that I make money, consistently profitable. And if you guys want to learn off of me, I do offer my course. The link is in the TikTok bio, YouTube videos. Discord link is also in the TikTok bio. You can find the course there as well, completely free. With the course, you get everything from complete beginner, what a stock is, how it moves, so spirituality from complete beginner level, and then all my strategies, patterns, and all that stuff as well. And you have me for unlimited questions if you ever need anything. Any questions, any of your trades, any doubts, you know, anything you need, you come and ask me because you get put into a private Discord. If you guys are interested in that, you have a discount code for $150 off, and that is 150 off. 150, no space off, and then you get that discount code. ALLR looks like it wants a tiny bit more of action today. Tesla is dumping hard, dude. Alvanar, I gotta go. Happy holidays to you and all your close ones, and to this amazing team. Ho 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 from Canada. Thank you, Alvanar. Thank you. Trader Dad, 150. Wait, what? Christman costs? Christmas costs? What? What are you saying, Trader Dad? I can offer another discount for Christmas, but I'll do it more towards them, and I only offer them for a couple days. You're saying get the whole course for 150. Is that what you're saying? Ed, Tesla's dumping. Yeah, Tesla's absolutely dumping. I almost located more shares and shorted here, but didn't. I don't want to add to a stupid trade just because I was almost kind of forced to take it or dumped to take it, but COSM is kind of trying to pop back up. Tesla's dumping. Honestly, I'm kind of tempted to add some Tesla for long term as well. Like small size starts scaling in. You know, this Tesla play is, or Tesla stock is just dumping and dumping and dumping. Trader Dad, you've asked me for a while for my course. Oh my God, LLR, ALLR. Phew, my goodness. Can you imagine taking this thing, Tech and Money? We mentioned it hit the freaking 200 moving average perfectly. You'd be up 50% on your trade. It's halted. Yes, it did. Tau. What do I think of Tau? I don't know. I think. Let me see. I think on these you have to just let them do their thing. I think you have to just until you find a clean stuff. Which I mean, I'm looking at this. That was a big rejection and then double top there. So maybe this is a lower high here. Maybe you can find a little bit of a trend line like that. And maybe you find the short. But honestly, I've noticed for me that the stocks that have the most attention on the day give you the most obvious shorts because there's a point, where you get that clean stuff. ICVX yesterday, like ICVX yesterday, it rallies, it rallies. This looks clean, this looks clean. That's a nice red candle. That's kind of a little stuff. I tried it there, got stopped out. There, boom, that's a clean stuff. Now you're like, this is backside. This is breaking trend line. This is a huge stuff. Halted once, halted twice. It's up a lot. You can ride this thing alongside. Now you see that's the backside. Now you're like, okay, this is backside. You can start adding here and get that fade back down. This one didn't work out for me, so I ended up stopping out here. Um, there, but then it does it again. Here maybe no clean entry, but then here it's like, this stock has been up all day. All you gotta do is mark this high here. It spikes up over it, holds it as support, ends up coming back up. There's your short right there. And even that, you could see the stuff on just that candle itself right there as well. There's a little uptrend there. Big ol' stuff, rejection holds. You could start adding here, and then you catch that dump. Uh, the one you mentioned, it's kind of just still grinding. But if you were to take shorts and you're gonna follow risk to reward, I could have seen a short here, and given yourself 10, 20 cents to break a high, and that's your risk to reward. 10 cents here, 20 cents here. That's your risk, and then you get a risk of 2% to the bottom. At least VWAP you get 3%. That's a 2 to 1 already. Well, I guess everybody needs to switch to sell side fast money. When you perfectly time UVX's peak by shortening UVIX, you can say that again. Zachary BYSIGs. Holding sideways still. RNA today crazy short. RNA is one that you got to keep an eye on the runners, and then you got to keep an eye on them to wait for the backside. I tried this one, so look at the daily on RNA and made a gap up yesterday, the first day. Kind of sold off, first of all, that first. I got to keep an eye on ALLR, though, because this thing is halted down, and I'm still in this. I guess at this point, where did I jump in at? 80? Halted at 29.15. Hold on. You know what's paying me, guys, that I mentioned to you guys? My mRNA short. Oh my gosh, that thing is paying me crazy. Remember I posted it on the I can't see my P&L because even the app is glitched up. Dude, guys, my mRNA Argent Trader, I'm heading out. It's been a great year. You built a really good stream and an amazing community down here. Thanks for doing this every day. Happy holidays and vamos Messi. Vamos Messi. Dale Messi, dale Messi, dale Messi, dale Messi. Encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi. Encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi. Encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi. Gotta miss him. Gotta miss him. Gotta miss him. Um, I'm gonna get out of that. I made 10 bucks on this play. I don't want to hold this. I don't want to keep holding this. So, Argent Trader, thank you, man. Hope you have a good rest of your year. Good rest of your day, man. You have a good holiday. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Thank you for coming in here, Argent Trader, and hanging out with us on this stream. So I appreciate that. You have a good rest of your year, and I'll see you next year, Argent Trader. So my execution on ALLR terrible. I shorted down there, test short, and then covered there. Got lucky on that trade. Honestly, I didn't. Why, dude? Why does it minimize everything? Does anybody know why that happens, or how I can avoid it, or how I can do this besides clicking every little thing? Okay. Happy holidays, everybody. Blair, thank you, thank you, thank you. Trade ideas too, but screw trade ideas. I don't need you. Man, a lot of glitches today. Kind of annoying. Okay, do I play FIFA? I had it for a little bit, but I ended up I had the EA Pass or whatever. I didn't know you pay $5 a month and then you can actually play any EA Sports or something like that. So I opened that for a little bit to play FIFA, but I haven't really played. The Wizard trade COMS on fire, broke through downtrend line, 920 on 5 EMA, scarf 625, shown on level 2, let's go. Tech money, that would have been a sweet short to have taken. I couldn't get shorts for ALLR. mRNA is crushed. Guys, I mentioned on the Discord when I took mRNA. I bought mRNA. I'm probably going to make close to 2K on that trade. I took it on my other account, but so I can't show you guys. But mRNA, where's mRNA? Thinkorswim, you're so close to getting done, bro. Do I not have it on my watch list? Right in front of my balls. So mRNA, very strong day. We actually day traded this that first day right here, right from like 185 going up to 200. Had a very nice flat bottom right here, close to 200, 197, and then it kind of opened up the next day. I didn't even think this run was going to happen, but when I saw this run again and I let it kind of wait for exhaustion, I ended up jumping up here. I was a little bit, late or early, I don't remember, but around 2:15, I ended up opening a put spread. Put spread, if it goes below that certain level that I want, I'm going to either make my money or lose my money. If it goes under the level that I got it, I make my money. If it stays over it, I lose that money. And so I think on that one, I'm going to end up making 600 bucks as my profit. And I think like 500 was my risk because I ended up doing it for like 213. So if it's under 213 by the end of today, then I get my money. But right now, I'm trying to close it because it should be pretty close to full profit. But I can't see anything on my app either. It's frozen. They're all frozen. Like all the P&Ls are frozen. So there's that. And then at that same time, I was like, yeah, I feel pretty confident this is a short. I ended up buying 200 puts, 200 strike price puts. Sorry, 200 strike price puts. And I held them all yesterday. And I held them all this morning. Right now would be a good time to close them because they also, I don't think they're for this Friday. Oh, they are for this. No, they're not. Okay, they're for December 30th. So I got some time, but I want to close them pretty soon. But I ended up nailing that short, and I mean, I know they're up a pretty big amount. You know, they have to be. I can't see the percentage. I can't. I don't know. Like, I don't know what the percentage is, but you're 99.99 in the green today, Tekken Money. Should I go for the percent? Watch you go for the 0.01%. You get filled on something you didn't want, like Thinkorswim issues, and then you lose. that'd be annoying, right? Anyways, guys, a lot of glitches today, so you guys be careful. You know, end of the week, Friday, don't ruin your week. I think just on my Thinkorswim trading, I was up. Well, I guess not today. I'm not including today. I'm gonna wait for them to. I'm gonna wait for them to kind of chill out for a little bit and then give them a call because I'm not taking $200 loss for no reason. I'm sure they might even give it back or something. 160 bucks. But I think on the week I'm sitting at 1.5k just on these plus that mRNA on the other one. So that's pretty good so far. Blair's gonna call it for the day. Even if they fix it, I'd still be careful for the rest of the day. Yeah, bro. Have a great holidays and have a blast snowboarding. Thank you, thank you. So like always, guys, I'm not gonna go through the whole shenanigans again, but I do offer a course if you guys want to learn. I stream completely free. I'm taking all of next week off. I'm gonna be snowboarding for the first time in my lifetime. So hopefully I have fun. Hopefully I can pick it up. I heard a lot of people say both things. Like it's hard to snowboard, and then other ones are like, oh, you'll pick it right up. You're fine. Um, and then the week after that, I'm not going to be streaming live. So most of you guys I will not hear, see, or talk to until next year. But you guys stay active in my Discord. Not that I mean it matters to me, but obviously we're still a team. You know, I'm not a one-man show. Hopefully you guys can stay in the Discord and chat with you guys. Trade every morning still. I'll keep me posted how the market's doing, if stocks are rallying or not. You guys can stay active there and talk to each other. You know, just like you guys call out plays, you guys go into the Discord and call out plays there and work as a team. No pump and dumping though, please. You'll pick it up, no problem. Just watch your front edge so you don't flip onto your face. Yeah, I'm gonna freaking whiplash my neck. If you guys want to follow along, maybe I'll post some stories on my Instagram. So you guys go follow me on Instagram and see how I'm doing over there. That's a great community for sure. Thank you, Blair. Thank you, thank you. As far as that, I think I could have nailed some good trades today. Unfortunate that that didn't happen. I ended up going long Amazon here. I wanted to add there, and then at this point I was like, that's a short there. So it actually would have worked out both ways. I wanted that short up here, and I mean, I could have. Oh, my legs itch. Could have followed it down pretty well. I better not see you in a neck brace when you come back. Oh, you might, guys, you might. Trader Dad, I was telling you earlier. You've asked for my course several times. Um, if you really want it, Trader Dad, shoot me a DM on Discord, shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I can give you a quick little discount for you, since you've been here several times, asked for it as well, and so you know, just to help you out, I can give you Discord if you really want it. Other than that, everybody else 150 off, or if you guys want that the extra discount, just give me a message. If you guys really want it, I'll make a specific discount for you guys. I'll probably do one for Christmas anyways, but if you guys really want it, just shoot me a DM. All about helping you guys. You have a big problem with analysis paralysis lately? What's up, Stanford? Please don't forget about me, guys. I don't want to come back New Year's January 1st and have 20 people watching me. So I expect all of you guys to be back here so I can tell you guys how I fell 1,500 times on my snowboard. Short ALLR, Juan. I was trying to, Kevin. I was trying to. I shorted. I tried shorting. I tried locating shares on this thing. Like somewhere in this halt, and I wanted to short close to that 200 moving average up here. For some reason, it got rejected. I don't know why. Let me try it again. Let me see if it says something different right now. Let me put like 1,000 shares again. See if it. Oh. It says 1,000 available. I don't know why it didn't let me. It's weird. Yeah, I ended up shorting it, but I tried shorting it. I couldn't get it. I located the shares, and I had never happened to me. So when I tried placing the trade somewhere through here, it ended up telling me that I couldn't short it because I had to locate shares. And I was like, well, what are you talking about? And so I went back, and I ended up shorting, or actually locating another shares to see if it would let me this time. And I ended up locating 100 just to test it, and I ended up shorting it like right here. Like dumb, you know, shorted there, went against me. I almost added, but I had to locate more shares, and at this point I didn't really want to be in the trade that I didn't like, and then I ended up covering right here. So I made money on the trade, but it was kind of dumb. And I only took 100 shares, so I made like $10 profit. No, nothing crazy bragging. Still waiting on some merch. So Rosendo, I started looking at him again, and the thing is, I have a design in my mind that I want for hoodies and shirts, and I guarantee, like, I don't want to just make a merch that has my logo and you guys be like, okay, just buy it because I need money. I want something that's actually legit and awesome, and I have this design, like, I want to make this specific hoodie, like, and I've looked for places to get that type of design, and I can't find anybody, or unless I just start like literally DMing every single manufacturer in China and see if somebody can do it. But I want to do it the right way. I don't want to just create crappy hoodies that you're gonna buy once just because you want to support me and don't like the actual material of it. Don't wear it or something like that. Which actually I like mine, but maybe I'll put the hats up and beanies, and you guys can do that. But the hoodies, I hoodies and shirts, I have something in mind that I really want to do, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Y'all read, watch the $110 million lawsuit brought on by the SEC on financial versus good read on pump and dump guys. Yeah. Oh, that's okay, Stanford. Hey, you'll get it, Stanford. You'll get it. At least you know. At least you know where you're missing the trades, right? You know where you're missing the trades. So next time when you see that trade, you know where to take it. Do some polos like an or on the golf course. Hey, that's a good idea too. Yeah, it's gonna take me a while. Unless somebody's actually really good with clothing. Let me know if you guys are good with clothing or something. Let me know. But I got a lot of stuff on my mind right now. Rosendo had obviously some bad news with doctor that's still dealing with, and so all of that. And now Christmas holidays. So I mean, maybe next year that can be one of my things to go for. But we'll see what happens, guys. Anyways, I keep hanging out around. I gotta go pack like everything in my house. Try Compadres design in Victoria. People travel from out of state to have them do work. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Hope all is on the medical front. I took a YOLO trade ICVX. Man, you guys don't want me to leave, don't you? Right. Can't type today. Nah, you're good. You're good. Alright, guys. You guys have a good rest of y'all's day. You guys have a Merry Christmas. You guys have fun with family. You guys have a Happy New Year. You guys kill the markets for me. You guys got to make up the profit that I'm not making yourselves. Go and make the profit this next week and the week after that. So you guys go kill it. Like I said, stay active on the Discord. You guys can chat with each other. I will keep you guys updated on the Discord as well, on my Instagram and all that stuff when I'll be back and stuff, and just overall in general if I'm trading that last week or not. Um, Thanks again to Osapolar Walker. Thank you again for that donation, and thank you again for Tekken Money Greg for that donation as well today. So I really appreciate both of you guys. Um, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Finally got fixed. Oh, good job, Blair. I'm about to call him too and see what I can do. If you guys still have any questions, obviously it might take me a little bit longer to get back to you guys. And if you guys are in my private Discord, I could still review some trades and stuff. But honestly, I'm gonna be away for a little bit, so it might take me a little bit of time. But I will see you guys next year. Y'all have a good one, and Messi better win this World Cup. Messi better win this World Cup. You know I'm going to be watching it, guys. All right, all of you guys, I appreciate all the support you guys have given me this year. Appreciate you guys consistently coming in here. Let's keep killing the markets. Let's all kill it next year. See you guys, and y'all have a fun holidays.